Welcome back to Blooming Growth Academy English classes. Today, class 8 English supplementary. I will teach you, I will explain you the questions of the first year lesson, how the camel got his horn. First of all, we will see the questions of the first part of this lesson. The first question is, what task do you think were assigned to the dog and the ox? Means that what work was given by the man to the dog and the ox. So students, the dog was, our answer will be just like this. The dog was assigned the task of fetching and carrying. Fetching and carrying. The ox was made to plow the field, because ox is generally used to plow the field. This will be your answer. Second question, why did the camel live in the middle of the desert? The camel lived in the middle of the desert because he did not want to work. This is our second answer. See the third question. What made the dog, the horse and the ox very angry? What happened? Why the horse, the dog and the ox become very happy? Our answer will be just like this. The dog, horse and the ox were very angry because man, their master, all these three masters, told them to work double time to make up for the camel's work. Because when camel was not working, then these three animals, the dog, the horse and the ox, were told that now you have to work in place of camel, so that you complete the work of camel. This was the reason that the dog, the horse and the ox become very angry. Fourth question, how did the jinn know the horse was complaining against the camel? Our answer will be, the jinn was master of desert, and so he was able to know who the animal with a long neck and long legs, because in the lesson the horse had complained to the jinn that there is an animal in your desert who has a long neck and long leg, but he is not working. Now, this is the answer of your all these four questions, and I will dispatch the answer of all these questions in the link of this video. If you need, then you can see that and you can complete your question. Now let's see the questions of second part. The camel was looking at his own reflection in the pool. What does it suggest to you about the camel? First of all, I would like to tell you that why do we see our face in the mirror? Because we want to know that how handsome I am looking. The same thing was with the camel. And our answer will be, the statement suggests that the camel loved his own image and maybe, perhaps, considered himself very handsome. So he was looking his own reflection in the pool. The camel was feeling himself that he is very handsome. So he was looking at his own reflection in the pool. Second question, the camel said hum repeatedly. How did it affect him? Because when the camel said hum, 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 then the jinn made a puff, a hump on the back of the camel. This will be our answer, and we will answer and we will write this answer just like this. The word hum annoyed the jinn. The word hum annoyed the jinn he turned hump into the hump on the camel's back. This is the answer of your second question. Third number, what according to Jin was the use of the hump? According to the Jin, the camel's hump contained food and water. It helped the desert animal go without any food for many days. This was the use of hump. Now the last question. He has never yet learned to behave. In the light of this, what is the writer's opinion about the camel? In the light of this, the writer's opinion is that the camel has not changed its nature and habits to this day. Means that till to that day, camel has not learned how to behave, how to talk. He had no manners. So the zero become annoyed. Now students, this was the explanation of your questions of your first lesson. And if you want to write this answer, then you can see this in the link of this video.